So in this video, let's try to download and install IntelliJ in our Windows 11 machine. So for that, you can type IntelliJ download in your Google search. Click on the first link. So over here, we want the community edition, which will be over here. And then you can download it. Okay. Once it is done, just click on this. Next. This is where you want to install it, the installation folder. I'm keeping it whatever it is in default. Create shortcut. Okay, I want to create it. Add bin folder to the path. Add open folder as projects and create associates Java Gradle .com. Okay, I'll just select all. Okay, next. Okay, let's just reboot. I have rebooted my system. I'll open the shortcut, IntelliJ shortcut will be created. I will open it. I confirm that I have read and accepted. Just read it and accept it. I don't want to send my data. Then now over here, you can customize your appearance, your IntelliJ appearance. So for example, you can have like over here or dark or high contrast. I think I'm going to go ahead with dark. Plugins, customize. I think there should be an option for IntelliJ fonts. Let me keep it to 16 first. Then plugins. In plugins, I will download a lot of plugins later. So that those will be coming in the upcoming tutorials. Now let in project, let's create a new project. Let's keep it as a demo project. Location, okay, you can keep it whatever you need. Then this will be maybe in JDK. Okay, I have JDK this installed. If you want to add JDK or download JDK, though there are options for it too. And I would like to have add sample code. Just create it. Once it is created, it does give me a sample code that is hello and welcome, and it has some iterator. It will just print it. So let's try to run this. Okay, and it printed. So so yeah, it is working fine. That's all. Thank you.